Mwene yakwa ndajirie 2017 na ndajirie na tucaũ na for now ndina ng'ombe 11 iria ngoretwo ngĩciarithania nginya cigakinya hau, na for now ndirakama ng'ombe 7, ndirakama lita 210 na o ng'ombe ĩrĩnjagira kuma lita 25 to 30 na lita ĩmwe nyendagia ciringi 50 kuri andu aria nyendagĩria andu aria mendagia na ATMs, na ni kwĩ amwe maiyagira gũkũ muciĩ, kwĩ amwe ndwaragira, na mekaga almost kuma 10,500 per day. Icio nĩ cindeithĩtie gũkũria family yakwa, gũthomithia ciana ciakwa na ona gwĩkũria niĩ thĩinĩ wa mũtũrĩre wakwa.
The advantages of ATM machine is, one, easy to maintain and it's very fast to serve customers. The thirdly, when you store milk behind it, it is ever fresh, so that the customer can drink directly. It is come from the farm, and it's the amount you can measure from any amount as low as 10 shillings.
The milk from the ATM is very reliable because 1 liter of milk from the ATM is 60 shillings, but compared to the milk from the shop it's 55, which is 500 ml, which a liter will be 120 shillings, right? So it's more cheaper, and when you cook tea with this milk from the ATM, actually is the best because it has no preservatives, it has no additives, it has nothing, even it's not diluted. So you can make even more tea with that 1 liter of milk that is 60 shillings compared to the milk from the shops that is 120 shillings.
Now you find that many of the farmers, especially here in Kenya, they have not adopted the food grade materials. So they end up using the plastic handling containers that are not hygienic at all, and you cannot be able to guarantee their hygiene. Because one thing, you cannot be able to clean them sufficiently using even hot water and even other detergents.
these ATMs, they are automated. That is a software. They have a software that you program. They are programmed such that the milk and the milk itself it just dispenses itself automatically. You don't have to necessarily go and kuchota ile maziwa kutoka kwa tango. And then number two, an advantage of this ATM it is that ina combine ama inaleta pamoja all the customers. Maybe be that customer of 10 bob, 20 bob, 1 liter, 10 liters, whichever amount the customer wants, you involve them all. You don't exclude any other customer.